In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtitle on KDP, your ultimate Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned author or just getting started in the world of self-publishing, learning to effectively add a subtitle to your book on KDP can significantly enhance discoverability and appeal. So let's dive right in. First up, when you're in the Book Setup section of your KDP dashboard, look for the field labeled Subtitle. This is the section where you'll craft the concise yet compelling phrase that will accompany your book title. Subtitles can often be just as important as the primary title itself, especially in terms of SEO and searchability within Kindle Store. They provide additional context and detail, which can be crucial for attracting potential readers. Once you've located the subtitle field, go ahead and type your subtitle. This is not just a chance to be creative, but also an opportunity to incorporate some essential keywords. Keywords are terms that potential readers will enter into their search bars. So think about the kind of language and phrases that align with the themes, ideas, or genre of your book. These keywords should be naturally woven into your subtitle, adding clarity and depth, yet designed to draw attention. Next, it's crucial to ensure that your subtitle matches your book cover. Cohesion between your subtitle and the visual aspect of your book is vital for maintaining a professional appearance. Discrepancies between text and imagery can confuse potential buyers or even cause them to question the authenticity of your book. So double-check that the subtitle displayed aligns perfectly with what's on your cover design. This consistency will help reinforce the theme and message you're aiming to convey. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your subtitle looks and its alignment with your cover and other elements, be sure to click Save and Continue. This step will lock in your edits and ensure that all the tweaks and additions you've made are preserved. It's easy to overlook this final confirmation step, but it's crucial to preventing any loss of work. If you accidentally exit out without saving, you might have to redo everything, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. So never forget to save and move forward to finalize your setup. And there you have it. By following these steps to add a subtitle on KDP, you're not just beautifying your book's presentation, but also boosting its chances of being discovered by readers eager for your content. Make sure each decision you make enhances your book's appeal and readability in a way that stays true to your vision as a writer. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.